And then pull the camera out. So today, guys, we're trying Exotic Snacks Part 2. You guys have already seen this video, so that's why I'm doing a Part 2. So basically, in the stores, we were trying the most like exotic thing there, like golden Doritos or something. And as you guys already know, let's get to it. So we're in the store, and look what we found. Come over here. Japanese food. Bro, I've never tried these, but they look really good. So I'm gonna get them. Alright guys, we secured the Japanese chips. I'll see you guys at the park and we'll eat it there. Alright guys, so the chips are right here. And I'm gonna open the bag and see if they're good. Holy wow, that was like so strong. Come on. Yo, these are fire. Hold up. Bro, these are so good, bro. I'll give it like a 9 out of 10. It was too expensive. It was $4.99. So let's get the other snack. Alright guys, we're at the store where Alright guys, we're at the store where I heard there's Mexican hot Cheetos. Let's go inside and see if that's true. Bro, it's true. Let's go buy them. Alright guys, we secured the hot Cheetos. Let's go get the other chips and then try them. Guys, we've arrived at the store and see what we can find. Alright guys, now that we got both of these items, we're gonna go sit down somewhere and try them both. Alright guys, so we got both of these here. We're gonna try the Mexican hot Cheetos first. They smell the same as regular hot Cheetos and see if they're the same. Hopefully they're not. Ooh. This is different than regular hot Cheetos. They taste better. I don't know. It tastes way better than regular hot Cheetos. No. I mean, it's alright, like, I'm not a big fan of hot Cheetos, but like, I'll give it like an 8. It was like really cheap anyway. Let's try this drink. It was like, I don't know, like $10. It tastes spicier though. Hot Cheetos. Wash it down with the drink. How do you drink this? Bro. Look at this. What is this? How do you open this? I have generally no clue how to open this. After looking up a tutorial on YouTube, I know how to do it. You get this little thing, you just bam. Oh. Holy smokes. Alright. There's not like a straw, so I'm trying. That's pretty good. It's like sparkling water, except like insanely good. Hold on. I'm gonna get more. It is really good. Yo, I almost drank all of it already. What the? Yo, Japanese people are weird, bro. What is this? Anyways, I'll give this like a 9 out of 10. It was really cheap and really good. And anyways, as Christian would say, see you later.